So market's coming into resistance here. We're kind of failing at this resistance level. And this is coincides with that first initial low, those 285 lows in the SPY with that first down move. We ran a lot back to these highs. And I'm not saying we're going back to all these lows, or I don't even know if we're going lower. But my take on this was that I saw a lot of sluggish price action up here. And then these Shopifys and these Amazons, they can only stay this strong for so long. They're going to have to pull back. And we're not seeing the market run anymore with these names. We saw SPY like give up a little weakness at the end of the day, but it's not like you'd be able to tell we're having a historic day in oil by any means. So I thought that was very interesting. That kind of added to my my thesis of getting net short a bit. I just think that oil might have to catch up to the market, and they might drag it down a bit. And we've just been on 30% in 3 weeks. You know, it's not. I don't think this is a crazy place to take off risk to the long side and start looking the other way.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. I mean, even chart-wise, when you zoom out on the SPY, it's like 290 has been such a major level, like going back to 2018, that it only seems normal that would start to act as resistance again.
Right.
And we have such a wide range. It's like, we've retraced more than half the move in a month, which no one really saw coming.